Hi guys, Kenzie here. So, as we've kind of been staying at home, we've had more bonfires. I personally love doing the bonfires because it's just something fun for me. And this video is going to show you kind of how I set up the bonfire. And this is, what works for me. So here it is. I hope you liked that video, and I want you to stay tuned for next week's. Like this video if you want more videos like this. Comment down below on what you want to see, or if you have any other suggestions. Just said the same thing, but oh well. Subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and all that jazz, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.